Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform. Sorry about that. Online banking platform. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time. Let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website, and then you're gonna click on online banking. Now there you're gonna log in with your username and password. Just log into your account, and then you're gonna review your account balances and transaction history. You can also use the navigation menu to access various account features on the online banking. And you can also just set up account alerts and notification if you want to. Likewise, you can use the online banking platform to transfer funds as well as to pay bills. And whenever you want, you can review and update your account's information. And once you're done with all that activity, whenever you want, you can just log out of the online banking platform. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the